Solar Impulse 2. The Solar Impulse 2 was a groundbreaking Swiss experimental aircraft designed and built by the Solar Impulse team, led by Bertrand Piccard and André Borschberg. Built to prove that clean energy can achieve extraordinary things, it made history in 2016 as the first airplane to fly around the world powered entirely by sunlight. Its massive wings stretched an incredible 236 feet across, wider than a Boeing 747, yet the entire aircraft weighed only about 5,100 pounds, roughly the same as a large family SUV. The lightweight carbon fiber design carried 17,248 solar cells spread across the wings and tail, quietly turning sunlight into energy for its 4 electric motors. Despite using only solar power, the aircraft could cruise between 36 and 87 miles per hour while climbing to altitudes near 28,000 feet, high above most weather and nearly as high as some commercial regional jets fly. During the day, sunlight charged onboard batteries weighing around 1,400 pounds, about the weight of a grand piano, storing enough energy to keep the airplane flying through the night without a single drop of fuel. Inside, the cockpit was astonishingly compact at just 134 cubic feet, about the size of a small walk-in closet, yet it served as the pilot's seat, mission control center, and even a sleeping space during flights that lasted several days non-stop. Sunseeker Duo. Sunseeker Duo is a 2-seat solar-powered electric aircraft created by Eric Scott Raymond and his company Solarflight. First flown in Italy on December 17, 2013, it became the world's first truly practical solar airplane designed to carry 2 people side by side, showing that clean aviation could move beyond experiments and into real everyday flight. Blending the graceful efficiency of a sailplane with cutting-edge solar technology, the aircraft features an impressive 72-foot wingspan. Yet, despite its large size, the empty aircraft weighs only around 617 pounds, lighter than many grand pianos and far less than a typical compact car. Its sleek composite structure includes retractable landing gear and folding wings, allowing the aircraft to be stored and transported more easily, almost like a giant high-tech glider. Spread across the wings and tail are 1,510 ultra-thin solar cells, quietly collecting sunlight with an efficiency of about 23%. In bright sunshine, the system can generate nearly 5 kilowatts of electricity, just enough to power several average homes at once. That energy feeds a tail-mounted electric motor capable of producing 20 kilowatts continuously, with bursts up to 25 kilowatts during takeoff and climbs, giving the aircraft smooth and nearly silent performance. Energy is stored in lightweight lithium polymer batteries, allowing flights of up to 12 hours in favorable sunlight conditions, long enough to watch the sun rise, cross entire regions, and still land before nightfall. The Sunseeker Duo became more than just a technological achievement. It offered a glimpse into a future where aviation could feel quieter, cleaner, and far more connected to the natural world around it. Solar Stratos. The Solar Stratos is an ambitious Swiss solar electric aircraft project developed by Solar Stratos SA and led by eco-explorer Raphael Domjan. Created to push clean aviation to breathtaking new heights, the aircraft was designed to carry a pilot into the stratosphere using nothing but sunlight and stored electrical energy, bringing the dream of near-space solar flight closer to reality. Registered as HB-SXA, the aircraft features an elegant carbon fiber structure engineered for extreme lightness and strength. Its wings stretch nearly 81 feet across, wider than many regional airliners, while the fuselage measures about 28 feet long. Yet, the empty aircraft weighs only around 990 pounds, lighter than some small compact cars despite its enormous wingspan. Covering the wings are roughly 237 square feet of high-efficiency solar cells, continuously harvesting sunlight with conversion rates between 22 and 24%. Those cells recharge advanced lithium-ion batteries capable of storing up to 28 kilowatt-hours of energy, enough electricity to power an average home for roughly a full day. The aircraft is driven by a dual electric motor system producing about 50 kilowatts continuously, with short bursts up to 70 kilowatts during demanding climbs. Spinning at the nose is a 3-blade propeller nearly 7 feet wide, about the height of an average adult, converting silent electrical power into smooth forward flight. Inside, the tandem cockpit seats 2 people one behind the other, much like a fighter jet trainer. Because the aircraft is intended to climb to extraordinary altitudes approaching 82,000 feet, more than 15 miles above Earth, the pilot relies on a specialized pressurized suit weighing about 26 pounds, similar to carrying a loaded hiking backpack. At those heights, the sky darkens dramatically, and the curvature of Earth begins to emerge. In August 2025, Solar Stratos climbed to 9,521 meters, over 31,000 feet, during a flight lasting 5 hours and 9 minutes, setting a record at the time for a crewed solar electric aircraft. The project stands as a bold reminder that exploration and sustainability do not have to compete with each other. Sometimes they can rise together toward the edge of space. Pathfinder and Helios. Pathfinder and Helios were solar-powered high-altitude aircraft developed under the NASA Environmental Research Aircraft and Sensor Technology Program with AeroVironment. Both designs focused on long-endurance flight in the upper atmosphere using lightweight flying wing structures and distributed solar energy systems. Pathfinder had a wingspan of about 30.1 meters, 98.4 feet, and an empty weight near 252 kilograms. It used multiple electric motors powered by solar arrays spread across its upper wing surface. The aircraft reached altitudes above 50,000 feet during test flights in the 1990s, demonstrating stable flight in thin air conditions. Pathfinder Plus was an upgraded variant with a wingspan extended to 36.3 meters and improved solar efficiency, allowing it to reach about 80,000 feet. It also increased payload capacity for atmospheric sensing equipment. Helios was a much larger development, with a wingspan of 247 feet, 75 meters, and an extremely low structural weight around 929 kilograms. It used up to 14 electric propeller motors distributed along the wing. In 2001, it reached a record altitude near 96,863 feet, one of the highest sustained flights of a winged aircraft. Helios was lost in 2003 after structural failure during turbulence testing near Hawaii.